I remember waiting for the school bus. Jenny Clayton was my first crush, and neither one of us had a clue. And oh, but when she jumped in, it felt brand new.
Hi, my name is Dara and I've been a tour guide for 7 years. Also a motorcycle mechanic. Yeah, Cambodia is very beautiful for dirt bike riding, and the best part of Cambodia that I really want to do trail riding is just almost all over Cambodia. The best part of the time to ride dirt bike, well, for me it's almost all the time for the years. Yeah, enlightening.
Good beer.
Best ride ever. Do it again.
Awesome. Outstanding, fantastic, awesome. Dusty.
This kilometre was fantastic. The last kilometre was fantastic, and every kilometre in between. It was a fantastic trip.
I'm Brad from Bloke, Queensland, Australia. Yeah, it's a real eye-opener coming here, seeing what the people are. They're so friendly, and that compared to home. Yeah, it's been a real experience so far. Can't wait to see more.
My name is Robert. I'm from the Gold Coast, Australia, and I think if someone wants to do the ride, they want to be a bit of a medium rider. There are some tough stuff, but there are some challenges, but the average guy should have no problems getting through, but he'll also have a lot of fun.
I'm Michael from Cambodia, Queensland, and I found everything wonderful. It was set up perfectly. Anyone can just come up and have a go. No expectations, just get into it.
Yeah, Gerry, Queensland. I came here with my brother and brother-in-law and nephew for the trip of a lifetime. I was here in '93 as part of the UNTAC deployment when the Khmer Rouge was still here. Totally changed. The countryside is a heap more friendlier, obviously. Phnom Penh, when we flew in the first time, I couldn't believe looking out the window how big the actual city has become. When we were here last, there was blackouts all the time, very intermittent power. Sihanoukville was about a third of the size.
Returning from Melbourne, the tour has far exceeded expectations. Great bunch of blokes, been organised far better than I thought it would be. You've really got the act together. The riding, apart from it was a bit dusty, everything else was great. Accommodation was great. Standout features. I love the kids here. They just smile at you. They have nothing, but they are so happy. And just to see them run out and wave, they're there smiling. You wave at them, and their smile just gets bigger. And the people, they have nothing, but they are so happy.
And I loved it all. It was my highlight was actually last night in the village with the families. Probably the less fancy accommodation, but to me the best experience. Absolutely loved it, and the kids coming out and helping out with the meals and cleaning up the meals. The kids were my highlight, just like the other guys. I really loved the smiles. We'd be covering the poor little things in dust, but they'd still come out and wave and smile. It was just fantastic.